Hello, welcome to this video. I sat down and recorded another look for you guys, and if you would like to get ready with me, just keep watching. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm color correcting as usual. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the orange shade, which is to bounce the darkness out from underneath my eyes and around my mouth area. And then I jumped into the foundation. I used the same foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me, and I just used the shade 330. And I'm just pressing that into my skin with the Real Technique blending sponge. I don't want too much coverage, but I want just enough. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I use the shades 45 and 30, and I mixed them together just to give me some lightweight under eye coverage and a skin-like finish. And I'm just pressing that into my skin. Then voila, we are all blended out. And then I'm going to use that black opal stick foundation to go around and add the color back around the perimeter of my face. And I do the same thing on the other side and underneath my chin area. Yep, and we just doing that to give us the color back that we lost around the edges of the face, and to basically bronze my skin up. And I went really light with that shade today. And I'm just pressing that into my skin and bouncing motions, not to move everything around, but to keep that placement. All right, and then I'm going to just lightly set that area with the banana powder, just so I can add on my contour shade. And today I'm actually going to contour with the MAC oh God, I can't talk. The blunt blush, oh Lord. And then I'm going to go into that Magic Collection highlighter, and I just highlighted all the areas that I would love to bring forward. And then I jumped into my brows. I used the brunette brow pencil by Kiss, which you can find at your local beauty supply. And I'm just doing that on the other side, which is just filling in my tail area, the area that I'm lacking. And I like to comb the product through to make sure everything is well distributed. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. brow gel, which is to keep all my brow hairs in place. And I just run that through my brows, and it just sets your brows and keeps all that product in place. And then I'm going to jump into the eyes. I use the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette that I purchased from Ulta. And I really like these shades. They blended out well and just gave me that warmth in my crease that I like so much. Yep, and I'm going to go into this other shade, which is a warm shade, similar to Brown Script by MAC, but I like this one. It worked pretty good. Okay, and then I'm going into that deeper brown shade to add more definition into my crease area, and just keep on blending. And then for my lid, I chose to use a highlighter. The highlighter is by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put the shade below. But it's like the pinky shade highlighter, and it looks really pretty as a lid color. So, and I'm just going to blend all that together. And we are blending. Yep, and I'm just packing it on in a packing motion. That way product won't fall all over my face, and so I can get the most color payoff. And then I'm going to line my waterline. I put lashes and everything on off camera just to save time, because today I'm trying for a quicker video, and I'm just gonna see how you guys like it. But if you ever want me to go in depth with every single step, I will make sure I keep it in. And then I'm going in with blush, which is one of my favorite blushes by MAC. And it's like the mineralized blush, so it gives you like a highlight and a little bit of color on your cheeks at the same time. And we're just going to go in with the Ruby Kiss lip pencil to line my lips. And then the gloss that I'm using is by Essence. And it's just like a little pinky glittery type of gloss. And I'm just using that instead of using a lipstick. And that pretty much sums up the look. I added on a little bit more of that Wet n Wild highlighter. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.